Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna teach you how to make your brown eyes pop or stand out. As you can see, I have naturally deep brown eyes and I love making them stand out. What people usually do is they can either make their eyes stand out in makeup or their lips stand out. I definitely like to make them both stand out. These are personally some tricks that I have seen work for my eyes. So if you have always wanted to make your eyes pop without using lens, you've come to the right video. I've already filled in my brows. Really bring the attention to this area. So you want to do that. So what I feel like makes the biggest difference when it comes to making your eyes stand out is using the same color as your eyes but darker, if that makes sense. So if you have green eyes, you want to use a darker green on your eyes, and that will make your eyes appear lighter, therefore making them pop. Same goes for the blue eyes, for the brown eyes if you have hazel eyes. And since I have really deep brown eyes, I can either use deep brown or even black. I'm gonna take this Color Bar Kajal. It's called Just Smoky Kajal in Just Black 001 and it's from Color Bar. You can decide whether you want to use it as an eyeliner on top or just underneath your eyes as Kajal. But I'm gonna use it on top as eyeliner today. Also, I'm going to tight line with this, so I'm gonna put it like in this area here. You can do this as roughly as you want or as precisely as you want. There's no rule to it. I'm just gonna put it very roughly around here because I like a very blended, smudgy look. I feel like it's already emphasizing my eye color. As you can see, because of the darkness of this color, my eye color is looking much lighter now. And you can literally apply just this trick to any eye color, like I said. And now I'm gonna blend it. I'm gonna use the ColourPop gel eyeliner in Stew. It's a brown shade. It has kind of dried out. Doesn't matter. I'm only going to be using it as kind of my eye primer. Again, it doesn't matter if you messily put it. I think you could also call this eye a brown smoky eye. I actually already have a different tutorial on brown smoky eye on my channel. So if you want to check it out, check it out. I'm going to take this Kaja eyeshadow trio in 08 Chocolate Dahlia. I'm gonna take the middle shade from the trio, a very light brown, good for transition. And I'm gonna put this all over my lid and also through my crease, basically blend this mess out. You don't wanna go past your actual crease. I'm gonna take a clean blending brush and blend the edges. If you have big eyes, you can put that black kajal on a lower lash line as well. Since I don't, and I don't want my eyes to look super small, I'm not going to do that. But what I am going to do is I'm going to use a dark brown eyeliner on my lower lash line. If you want to make this look colorful and still make your eyes stand out, you can use a colorful eyeliner. I think jeweled toned colors really make brown eyes stand out, and they're perfect for Indian skin tones, like all Indian skin tones. One of my favorite is this Color Bar Kajal. It's from the same line as that black kajal. It's just in the shade 008 Just Marsala. I'll show you the swatches of all the eyeliners that I'm going to be mentioning, so don't worry about that. I have this really old small faces pencil and it's in the shade navy blue. I really loved this one. The Maybelline Lasting Drama Waterproof Gel Eyeliner in the shade Polished Amethyst. ColourPop BFF Creme Gel Liner in the shade Overboard. This is one of my absolute favorites. This is from the same line as this one. This is the Faces Longwear Eye Pencil. It's smudge proof, waterproof and intense color, and this is in the shade Olive. But I am going to use the Maybelline Lasting Drama waterproof gel pencil in glazed toffee on my lower lash line. These are the swatches of the liners that I mentioned. This is the black from Color Bar. This is the Marsala shade from Color Bar. This is the bronzy golden eyeliner from Colourpop. This is the navy blue from Faces. This is the Maybelline purple shade, and this is the olive shade from Faces again, and it's my favorite shade. I'm going to take the same shade that we used to blend everything on our lid from the Kaja Trio and swipe it underneath my eyes. Connect it here with the upper lid. I'm going to use this top shade, the glitter shade from the trio, for highlighting my brow bone and also my inner corners. To make everything stand out even more, I'm gonna use mascara. I'm gonna use two mascaras actually. One of them is going to be the Maybelline Lash Sensational, of course, and then another one is the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise. Both are, of course, fan favorite mascaras, and they work amazing together as well. As I told you guys before, if you want to make this a more colorful look, you can use one of those jewel toned colorful eyeliners that I recommended. I really feel like those are the particular colors that make a huge difference with brown eyes. I'm going to use the olive shade, my favorite shade, and my favorite eyeliner formula so far, like the Colourpop formula and the Faces formula. I also like the Color Bar eyeliner formulas, but I like these ones just a little bit more. Again, this is the Faces Longwear eye pencil in the shade Olive. I'm gonna use this in my lower waterline to add a little bit more color and funk to the look. If you want your eyes to stand out, then try to wear a nude lipstick so that all the focus goes on just your eyes. With that, we're done with today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, then please like my video and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.